Hey guys, OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro are the most awaited smartphone of 2019. Everyone is eagerly waiting to know the specification and the pricing details of these two phones. On a recent post in a Chinese website, the final spec list of these two phones have been released. So in this video, we will discuss the final specs of both the phones, that is OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. Let us start with the OnePlus 7 Pro. The display is 6.64-inch of Super AMOLED display with Quad HD resolution. It is coming with a 90Hz refresh rate so that you can see the fast movements very clearly. The processor is Snapdragon 855 coupled with huge 10GB of RAM, and it comes in two variants of 128GB and 256GB. The camera is the main USP of OnePlus mobiles. So here it is a triple rear camera where 48MP of primary lens, which is a Sony IMX586 sensor, and a second camera is a telephoto lens with a third camera a wide angle lens. There is a special pop-up mechanism camera given here, that is a pop-up camera that we have seen in the Oppo F11 Pro and Vivo V15 Pro. The camera is 16 megapixel to take best selfie pictures. The battery is huge, 4000 mAh of battery with a 30 watt charger, which is a warp charging technology that charges the phone very fastly. Warp charging technology is the fastest charging technology that we have today. There is an in-display fingerprint scanner given, which works very fine. The price of this phone will be kept around 47,000 Indian rupees and $700 in the international market. OnePlus 7 looks different from OnePlus 7 Pro. OnePlus 7 is having a 6.2-inch of AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. The processor used here is Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 and the RAM given is 6GB. The internal storage is of 128GB. There is a dual rear camera where 48MP of primary camera lens is used and the second camera is a telephoto lens. There is no pop-up camera like 7 Pro. Here there is a selfie camera mounted on a water drop notch, which is of 16 megapixel. The battery is same, which is of 4000 mAh battery with a 30 watt charger with a warp charging technology. The reverse charging or wireless charging, we have to wait and watch on whether these features are there or not. There is an in-display fingerprint scanner and an Oxygen OS running on Android Pie. The price of this phone is kept around 40,000 Indian rupees and $600 in the international market. So this is all about OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.